Good morning, students. So, you know that our previous class it ends with the properties of electric field lines. Okay. Uh, so I continue with this again here. These are the three important properties, and one more important property is there of the electric field lines. That is, you just write down one more property that is also important, and that is number 4. That electric field lines do not cross each other. Means two electric field lines, if they are moving like this, then they will never cross each other like this. One electric field line is this, another is this. They will never cross. They will never cross. Now what happens if they will cross, then they will form another one more electric field lines there. Okay, and it has some another direction. So this is not possible because it is contradictory to the properties of electric field lines, which is an absurd one. Okay, it means what? That if they cross, then they produce one more directional electric field lines, which is absurd. Absurd means which is contradictory to its property, which is contradictory to its property, because we know that the field lines is straight and is radially outward. It is always straight and is radially outward or radially inward. It depends upon the nature of the charge. So these four important properties, very important properties of the electric field lines. Okay. Now the next comes, what is the SI unit of electric field? अभी तक हमने पढ़ लिया इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड क्या होता है, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड लाइंस क्या होती है, and what are their important properties. Now what is the SI unit of electric field? SI unit. Okay, ये क्वेश्चन कई बार आता है कि ऐसे इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड का डायमेंशन फॉर्मूला क्या होता है. Okay, so before that we must know what is it SI unit. SI unit of electric field is क्या होगा? We know that what क्या होता है, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इक्वल्स क्या होता है, F अपॉन क्यू. सिंपल. फोर्स का क्या हुआ, न्यूटन, और इसका चार्ज क्या होता है, दैट इज क्या होता है, कूलम. ओके, तो क्या बन गया, न्यूटन पर कूलम. इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड का एसआई यूनिट क्या हो गया, न्यूटन पर कूलम. नाउ इसका डायमेंशन फॉर्मूला लेते हैं. चलिए, डायमेंशन फॉर्मूला क्या है इसका, डायमेंशन फॉर्मूला. ओके, इसका डायमेंशन फॉर्मूला होगा कैसे, देखिए फोर्स है. ओके, फोर्स का क्या होगा, m1 l1 t माइनस 2. चार्ज q है, q इक्वल्स क्या होता है, it. I का क्या होता है, इट इज a, एंड टाइम का होता है इट इज t. तो क्या हो जाएगा इसका डायमेंशन फॉर्मूला, m1 l1, ये t ऊपर चला गया, क्या हो गया, t माइनस 3, और a ऊपर आया तो a माइनस 1. दिस इज डायमेंशन फॉर्मूला फॉर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. ओके, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड का डायमेंशन फॉर्मूला इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, यू मस्ट नो इट. ओके, इट इज वेरी सिंपल, राइट. चलिए, तो नेक्स्ट हम लेते हैं, जब इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड लाइंस की जो बात होती है, इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड लाइंस, सो अब हम बात करेंगे इलेक्ट्रिक फ्लक्स. यू टॉक अबाउट इलेक्ट्रिक फ्लक्स. ओके, सो व्हाट इज इलेक्ट्रिक फ्लक्स? इलेक्ट्रिक फ्लक्स दिस इज आल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इसको हम 5 से डिनोट कर देते हैं जनरली. वी डिनोट बाय 5. ओके, इलेक्ट्रिक फ्लक्स. सो व्हाट इज इलेक्ट्रिक फ्लक्स? It is the number of field lines which passes from a particular area. Okay, that is for electric flux. So it depends upon the concentration of the field lines. Okay, that passes from a particular area. जैसे suppose I have taken this is area, okay, and so it is a positively charged. So we know that from the positive, the electric field lines that is passes away, okay, away from it. It means what? Suppose this is a positive charged body, okay, like this. Okay, now its area is like this. This is the area. So the direction of the area is here. Suppose I take this as your this is your say ds. This is small area. Suppose I take this is small area, and the electric field lines is here. Meaning along this direction. This is electric field lines. Electric field lines का जो direction वो यूँ है इस तरह से. It is like this, and the area is like this. Suppose I take an example. जैसे मैं बताता हूँ आपको. Suppose ये है आपके पास में, okay? This one. This is the area. This is the area. And suppose the direction of electric field lines is like this. And this is what? This is the direction of area. This is the electric field lines. That means what? There is an angle here. This is small angle here. Okay? It means like this. So there is an angle. If there is an angle between this, suppose this angle is your theta. So the formula for this electric flux will be what? It will be like this. That is E ds cos theta. This is the formula. E ds cos theta. And cos theta means what? It means this phi equals to, यदि मैं vector notation लेते हैं तो क्या बनेगा? ds. Okay. But this is a dot product. And you know that in class 11 you have studied that the dot product of the two products is always give a scalar quantity. So flux is what? Electric flux जो है वो क्या है? This is your scalar quantity. ये आपका scalar quantity होता है. This is scalar quantity. Okay, this is your scalar quantity. Okay, so it means what? How many electric field? Okay, जैसे ये suppose ये area है. This is your ds. इस ds में से कितना electric field lines निकलती है? Okay, right? So that is called your electric flux. Okay, so electric flux we defined as, इसको हम करते हैं define. So it is defined as, electric flux की definition लिख लीजिए. It is defined as the strength of electric field passes through a given cross section or area. Right? So it is defined as the strength of electric field that passes through, or that passes through a given cross section or the area. So here this area is what? It is the ds is the area, and the electric field strength is this one. So how much electric field lines will move? If the more electric field lines will move, then it means what? The electric field strength will be more. Okay. So it depends upon the product of this flux, depend upon this ds as well as the electric field that passes through that particular area. Okay. So this is called your electric flux. Now, what is SI unit? Again, इसका भी SI unit होता है. So what is SI unit? It's very simple. SI unit क्या होगा इसका? SI unit जो उसका होगा, वो क्या होगा? हमें पता है flux क्या होगा? Flux equal to E dot S. Electric field का formula, electric field का हमें पता है SI unit अभी निकाला था. That is Newton per coulomb. S is the area. That is what? Meter square. It means what? Newton per coulomb meter square. ये क्या हो गया इसका? SI unit. Newton per coulomb meter square. And you can very easily find its dimension formula also. इसका dimension formula भी आराम से निकाल सकते हैं. Okay, very easy. It is very simple. So this is about the electric flux, right? And electric flux is maximum कब होगा बताइए? Flux is maximum. Flux कब होगा? जब आपका इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड लाइंस जो होगी वो क्या होगी? पैरेलल होगी किसके? ds. तो यहाँ पे मैक्सिमम देगा बिकॉज यहाँ पे थीटा क्या आपका है? और थीटा आपका हो गया 0 डिग्री. अच्छा, फ्लक्स आपको मिनिमम कब मिलेगा? मिनिमम आपको फ्लक्स मिलेगा जो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड जो लाइंस हो वो क्या होगी? परपेंडिकुलर होगी एरिया के, क्योंकि यहाँ पे थीटा क्या हो गया आपका? 90 हो गया. तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा? फ्लक्स आपको क्या मिल जाएगा? 0. दिस यू टू रिमेंबर, राइट? So this is about electric flux. All right. Thank you.